Hello children, welcome to the online class of Social Science class 8. So, in the last session, we learned about what the historians do, how they write the history, what are the importance of official documents and reports. And we also learned that what were the systematic approach British took for the proper administration. Today in this session we are going to know about what the official records do not tell us. Official records tell us the official thoughts of the British officials and the government. That is what the British officials and the government wanted and what they wanted to keep the records for their future. So only that records we can get it from these official records. These records do not tell us about what the common people of the country felt and what they wanted. We cannot get these records in the official records, so we have to get it from somewhere else. Children, we can get the information about the common people in the diaries of personalities like Jawaharlal Nehru, then Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, and newspapers like Kesari, Amrit Bazar Patrika, then popular books like Discovery of India, The Glimpse of World's History, then autobiographies of important personalities like Mahatma Gandhi, and accounts of travelers and pilgrims give a deep insight into the lives of the common people. So these sources give us the opinion of the literate people, because these all were literate people and they have, according to them, what they have seen in the history, they have written according to their view of point. As we know that history is different for different people, and for us it is more difficult task to know about how the peasants, the poor people, illiterate people, then tribal groups and the poor illiterate manual workers experienced the history during those days.